Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you access analytics in Peacock. Now, accessing analytics in Peacock depends on whether you are an end user, a content owner, advertiser, or a business client of the analytic company that use the name Peacock. So as a standard Peacock streaming service users, there's no general account analytics available to track your personal viewing data beyond the watch history that aids recommendations. However, Peacock does offer specific in-broadcast analytics feature for live support, for live sport, and such as during the NBA game. You can select this option to get enhanced version of the broadcast with visual overlay, real-time player stats, and analytics built onto the stream. Now, Peacock scores the Peacock Scorecard. This interactive experience is available in the mobile app, allows you to make predictions about game outcome and track as well. So this is an alternative to access analytics in Peacock. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.